I'm going to show you how you can generate more leads for your local business by improving your search engine optimization rankings with a simple refresh of the blog articles on your website using AI. Let me show you what I mean. We're going to jump over to FastPages 365 Marketing Ideas. We'll go ahead and click Local Marketing Ideas and scroll down to Refresh Old Blogs with AI for Better Rankings. So I just went ahead and followed the steps in this article right here, and here's what we're going to do. So I just went ahead and copied all of the blog articles I've got on a certain topic on a client's webpage. I threw them into ChatGPT and said, hey, let's go ahead and see what we can do about refreshing these and which ones would be top priority. Not only did it give me a list, but it gave me some ideas about how to do it. You can see blog titles, focus, keyword targets, rewrite notes, meta update suggestions, all these cool things. So I took a go full page screenshot of one of the blog articles that the GPT told me to go ahead and refresh. And I said, hey, suggest how you'd rewrite this. And it didn't disappoint. There's a great little outline right there that popped up about what I should do. So then I'm like, yeah, of course I want a 900-word SEO optimized, ready for HTML, CSS conversion, updated for this version blog article. I said, okay, write that puppy up. And there it is. It's looking pretty good. It even came up with a cool graph. And look, it even put a frequently asked questions in there because Google loves frequently asked questions. You'll be popping up like crazy on search engine results pages. After I read it and made some edits, I copied it, pasted it into ChatGPT and said, hey, convert this into HTML with the CSS that I like. So all I've got to do is copy and paste this into a code block on my website. And you know what it did? It did a great job. Look at this stuff. And then I said, hey, don't forget to write me some schema for that exact same blog article. And it did. Now, I was having some problems getting this thing through the rich snippets test, and it was giving me some errors. So I took screenshots of those errors and said, hey, can you fix this? And it kept telling me, I can. And I kept taking pictures and saying, you didn't. So that's when I had to break out the big guns and go for my structured data expert. Now this structured data expert GPT, and what it does is it creates the schema for my website and my blog articles. So I was able to copy the offensive schema that kept failing and say, hey, what the heck's wrong with this? Can you fix it? And literally in just a second, it popped out some new JSON LD based Google article FAQ and local business schema for me. And wouldn't you know, it went ahead and passed the schema test. And ChatGPT is smart, right? I forgot to jump out of the structured data expert and I just said, hey, write a Midjourney prompt for the main image of this article. And it did. So then I was able to jump back over into FastPages 365, paste in the new HTML CSS block for the actual article itself, upload the new image and update the date. Now, of course, I'm going to go to Google Search Console. I'm going to go ahead and submit that page for indexing. And I'm also going to update the sitemap in Google Search Console because I've made some modifications to the website and I want to prompt Google to go ahead and crawl it. And I'll bet you within 24 hours, that article is going to go ahead and index and start to rank because it's got new, updated, fresh content with the right schema and new images, and it's all refreshed with current data. And just so you know, I'm bringing the receipts because if you come over here to the Marketing Ideas tab on FastPages 365, you can go into Local Marketing Ideas or Mortgage Marketing Ideas, and you can check out our Mortgage Lead SEO Growth Case Study with proof. Now, this article is a case study where I've documented everything and I show you what kind of results we're getting with local SEO. Now this is a case study for mortgage, but it works for any business. I'll be creating more videos like this and posting more content like this on FastPages365.com, where we specialize in local business websites and SEO.